Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is area of squares. Exercise number 14b. Question number 2 is written as find the area of each of following squares whose dimensions are given. As we know, square has all four sides same. All four sides have equal length. So to find the area of square, we have formula that we multiply side by side. The answer is equal to area. So first question is written as 21 centimeter. It means it is given this length of one side, and we know that its length of its all sides is same. So first of all we will write the formula of square as area of square is equal to side multiply side. So side is given 21 centimeter and its both sides will be same. So 21 centimeter multiply by 21 centimeter. These two values will be multiplied. 21 multiply by 21. 1 1 the 1, 1 2 the 2, 2 1 the 2, and 2 2 the 4, 1 4 and 4. That is equal to 441 centimeter square. This centimeter is multiplying with this centimeter. So answer is 441 centimeter square. Part 2 is written as 4.5 meter. First of all we will write as area of square is equal to side multiply side. So side is given 4.5 meter multiply by 4.5 meter. We will multiply 4.5 by 4.5. 4.5 multiply 4.5. 5 5 the 25. 5 4 the 20 and 2 22. 4 5 the 20. To carry 4 to the 4 4 the 16 and 2 18. 5 2 10 and 1 and 1 2. So this is 2025, but decimal point will be after 2 digits because there is 1 digit after decimal point and there is also 1 digit after decimal point. Total digits are 2. We will place decimal point after 2 digits. 1 2 mean to say decimal point will be after 2. So the answer will be 20.25 meter square. In part 4, the length is given 2 meter 50 centimeter. First of all we will change 2 meter 50 centimeter into a same unit. We will change into meter because it is given in meter and centimeter both. We will convert into a single unit either in centimeter or in meter. We will change in meter. 2 meter plus there is 50 centimeter and we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So there is 50 centimeter. To convert into meter we will divide 50 by 100. That will be converted into meter. 2 meter plus 50 by 100 is equal to 0.5. This 0 will be cancelled with this 0 and 5 by 10. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10 and 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. When we will add this, the answer will be 2.5 meter. So this is converted in a single unit, that is meter. To find the area, as it is the dimension of square, we will write the formula of square. Area of square is equal to side multiply side. So side is given as 2.5 meter, multiply 2.5 meter. So 2.5 multiply 2.5, 5 5 the 25, 5 to the 10 into 12, 2 5 the 10, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, 5 2 6. The point will be after 2 digit because there the decimal point is after 1 digit and there is also after 1 digit. Totally the point will be placed after 2 digit. 1 2, the point will be after 2. So the answer is 6.25 meter square. Now question number 4 is written as, determine the length of a plot of land 16 meter wide and whose area is 336 meter square. First of all, length is equal to question mark, mean to say we have to find the length, and wide mean width. Width is equal to 16 meter, and next one is whose area is 336 meter square. Area, can you guess the which area is? That will be area of rectangle because their length and width can also be called breadth. So their length and width is given, it means it's these are dimensions of rectangle. So this is area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is given, that is equal to 336 meter square. As we know that area of rectangle is equal to length multiply width. We can write their breadth and width is the same thing. So there is area is given. To find the length, we can make this formula. After rearranging, the length will be equal to area of rectangle divided by width. This width is multiplying here, that will be divided in other side. So area of rectangle is 336 meter square and width is given as 16 meter. When we will divide 336 by 16, I am dividing here 336 divided by 16. 16 to the 32, there is 1 and 6 will be there. 16 1 the 16, mean to say 336 divided by 16 is equal to 21. There is meter square and there is meter. 1 meter will be cancelled with this and 1 meter will be remained. So length will be equal to 21 meter. This was our today's topic, and question number 3 is homework. You will do it and send me on WhatsApp. If you have any question you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.